Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to join the family and subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So as you can tell from the title, today is going to be an initial review slash unboxing of a wig I received from a company called Luffy Hair Wigs on AliExpress. I don't think they're on AliExpress. I think they just have a general website, but I have collaborated with them in the past and shown you guys some balm air kinky straight here I got from them. I'll link it somewhere up here or in the description box for you guys to check out if you haven't seen it already. But I have worked with them in the past, so I kind of know what I'm going to get from them and like the level of quality. And that kinky straight is actually one of my go-to wigs, and it's literally like, it's been a year since I've had it, or so, over a year now, and it's going on strong and I absolutely love it. Yeah, so this is actually the third wig I have from them. I just remembered I had like a bob middle part in. I'll link it in the description box as well for you guys to see. So I was really excited because I really like the quality of their wigs. So yeah, let's get it popping. In terms of shipping and stuff, I'm going to start off with that. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks for them to ship out your order, because obviously it's a lace wig and they make it specifically to your desire, I guess, and how you want your wig to be. So your density, how thick you want it to be, the cap color, the lace color, like to match your skin tone, the cap size and all that good stuff. So it takes a while, but I mean, it's customized to how you want your wig, so I mean, it kind of makes sense. So, and it comes via DHL standard, you know, 3 days or so. So in the DHL bag you get this wig box. It's pink, which I think last time when I had it they were blue, but yeah. So it's a pink box and it's got the company logo, the company name, and a few pictures and a few descriptions on there. And then on the back it kind of tells you why their lace wig is the best. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what was in the box before we get onto the wig. So in the box you get an elastic band, obviously to secure your wig if you feel like it's not secure enough, which is very standard, very understandable. And then you also get some wig caps, but these ones are black, so I probably won't use them because of the colour, but I usually use the dark brown ones anyway, but it's a thought that counts. And then obviously you get your wig. So I'm going to show you guys the wig. It did come in this net wrapping type of thing, but I've kind of brushed it out and played with it. So yeah, y'all gonna see, because this is the second time with me filming this video, so sorry guys because I've already brushed the hair. But what I will do is I will insert some clips from the last video where I kind of talked about some issues that I had. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. It's a 22-inch body wave lace front wig, which means it's got tracks at the back and it's got a frontal at the top. So I wanted something different, something, you know, just something a bit glam. So I went for like long body wave bouncy kind of hair. So yeah, it's 22 inches long. You can see the body wave pattern there. It's really soft and really bouncy. I did receive quite a bit of shedding when I was combing through the hair initially, and I think that's because the hair texture is body wave. So going through the hair now and running my fingers through, I am still getting like a few snags and a few bits of shedding, but it's not as bad as what I got last time. But I do think it was because of the body wave pattern. So we'll see how it goes after I, you know, deep condition it and all that good stuff, because I am going to have to go in and customize and bleach the knots and kind of customize the frontal. I'm going to zoom in and show you the frontal and how it looks. I think it's probably better if I actually show you guys on a mannequin head, because you can kind of see the contrast. So I'm going to kind of show you guys and insert a clip right now. So yeah, as you guys can see, they've customized the hairline a bit for me, and I've got some kind of baby hairs. But what I don't like is that the frontal, where they've customized and where like the hair starts is just like a harsh gap. So I'm going to have to go back in between and kind of customize it a little bit more, so it's not like from baby hair straight into thickness of the weave. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but I'm going to hopefully try and make it make sense when I show you guys on how I customize this hair. So yeah, that is basically what the hairline looks like and everything. As you can see, the knots aren't bleached, so when I customize it, I'm going to have to go in and bleach the knots to make all those black dots disappear. So yeah, this is the wig. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the wig and what it looks like. As I said before, it is a lace front wig. So you have a frontal and you have tracks sewn into the back. And in the wig you get some combs. You have 3 combs, 2 on the tabs of your ear and 1 just behind the frontal, which is about the middle of your head. And then at the back you've got some adjustable straps which you can pull to kind of make it fit properly and snug on your head. And if all that fails, you can go in and use the elastic band that they sent. So all in all, I think the wig is quite nice and I really love the density of it. I think I got a really full wig because I wanted it to be more fuller than normal, especially when you have like wavy hair. You want it to be a bit more bouncy and a bit more fuller. So I got 180 density because I find with lace wigs they're usually like 150, 120, which for me is okay, but it's not what my preference would be. So I got it a bit thicker than usual. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just a bit concerned about the shedding, as I mentioned earlier, but I'm hoping that once I condition it and all that kind of stuff, it kind of goes away. I don't know, but we'll see. I will definitely keep you guys updated and let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, thumbs up this video and comment below if you want to see how I customize the wig and how I make it look a bit more natural, and I will definitely upload that for you guys. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. Do stay tuned if you want to see what this wig looks like installed and once it's, you know, all customized and all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.